Samsung introduced several big software upgrades with the Galaxy S26 series, but it turns out the company didn't reveal everything during the official announcement. Some new features quietly arrived with One UI 8.5, and they focus mainly on improving the Gallery app and making photo editing smarter with the help of AI. These updates may not sound huge at first, but they can actually change the way people search, view, and edit their photos and videos on Galaxy devices. One of the most useful upgrades in One UI 8.5 is the improved search experience inside the Gallery app. Searching through thousands of photos and videos can sometimes be frustrating, especially when you're trying to find something specific. Samsung is now making this process much faster and more intelligent. The Gallery app now supports real-time search results. This means you no longer have to finish typing a word and then wait for the results to appear. Instead, the app begins showing matching photos and videos instantly while you type in the search bar. For example, if you start typing words like beach, sunset, or mountains, the gallery immediately begins displaying related photos and videos as you type each letter. This makes it much easier to quickly locate the content you are looking for without scrolling endlessly through your library. But the improvement doesn't stop with photos. One UI 8.5 also adds a very interesting feature for searching inside videos. Normally, when you search for something in your gallery and open a video, you still have to manually watch the clip or scrub through the timeline to find the moment you want. Now the system can actually identify specific parts of videos that match your search. For instance, if you search for sea or sunset, the gallery doesn't just show you videos containing those elements. When you tap on a video from the results, the app will jump directly to the exact part of the video where the sea or sunset appears. This can save a lot of time, especially for people who record long videos during trips, vacations, or events. Another major change in One UI 8.5 is an improved version of Photo Assist. This tool uses generative AI to help users edit images in more advanced ways. The biggest new addition here is support for text prompts. Instead of manually adjusting every setting, you can now type instructions that describe how you want the image to be changed. For example, you might type something like, "Make the sky more dramatic," or "Add a cartoon style to the person." The AI then processes the request and edits the photo based on that description. This makes editing much easier, especially for users who don't want to spend time adjusting multiple tools and sliders. Photo Assist also allows users to move objects inside an image or change their size. If something in the background feels out of place, you can reposition it. You can also tilt the entire image slightly to create a different visual perspective. Another interesting improvement is how styles are applied to images. In the past, when you selected a style effect, it would change the entire photo. Now, the tool can apply styles only to faces or people in the image while leaving the rest of the photo unchanged. This allows for more creative results without affecting the background or other elements in the picture. Samsung has also added several new styles that users can apply when editing photos. There are now 9 different style options available. These include 3D toon animation, cartoon crayon, oil painting, pop art, retro animation, science fiction, and watercolor. Each style changes the look of the photo in a unique way, allowing users to experiment and create more artistic versions of their images. Another feature getting an upgrade in One UI 8.5 is the Photo Remaster tool. This feature already existed on some Galaxy devices, but now it has been improved using generative AI. The remaster tool focuses on enhancing image details while maintaining the original resolution. In One UI 8.5, it now supports photos with resolutions up to 12 megapixels. This improvement is particularly helpful for images captured at very high zoom levels. For example, if you take a photo using extreme zoom like 30x, the picture may sometimes lose fine details. The enhanced remaster tool can analyze the image and attempt to restore sharper details. However, because the system relies on generative AI, the results may not always be perfect. In some cases, the improvements might look great, while in others the output could appear slightly inconsistent. At the moment, it is still unclear whether all of these new features will remain exclusive to the Galaxy S26 series or if Samsung plans to bring them to older Galaxy phones and tablets through future updates. But if they do expand to more devices, many Galaxy users could soon get a much smarter and more powerful gallery experience.